Here in front of me, I've got the Chengdu G20 Mighty Dragon, a Chinese stealth plane. It is made by the brand Xcartoys, very good diecast brand, did a lot of reviews about their products. It's in a 1:100 scale. Let's have a look at the box first. Here is it probably saying G20 Chengdu Mighty Dragon. Probably some specs here. I don't know, I can't read Chinese. And a nice picture of the plane. Here we got the side, here we get the other side. And some more information. Now let's take the plastic off. Oh, I think I don't have to use a knife. Already have this plane, also from the brand Xcartoys, also in a 1:200 scale, but different color. Yes, it comes with a display stand, and the cool thing about this display stand is that it looks like a shadow of the plane. Very creative. Okay, here we got the plane. Made out of die-cast, so it is pretty heavy. There's a fighter pilot inside. Is there really a yellow dragon fighter stealth plane? I don't know, but I thought it is a pretty cool color for a fighter jet. No landing gear, unfortunately, so it's only possible to place it on the display stand. Here we got the back. Let's use some extra light. They use some blue for the exhaust. Not bad at all. Fighter pilot looks pretty primitive, but still there is one inside. 2101 for the air intake. Okay, let's put it on the display stand. There you go. Now, the only thing I need to do now is give it a good place in my display cabinet. Okay, so here we are in front of the display cabinet. Where is the plane? I can see the box. Oh, here it is. Yeah, here is the other color. To be honest, I like this color a little bit more. Looks a little bit more realistic, and it got bombs. Wait a minute, we don't have bombs on the other ones. And this one got awesome rockets. That is so much cooler. Okay, so now we know. If you like this plane, I advise you to buy the one with the bombs and not this yellow stealthy one without the bombs. Or maybe the bombs are inside. Anyway, I give it a nice place in the display cabinet. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I will see you soon in a new video. Bye.